Hi everyone, welcome to another one of our coffee talks. As you know, this is a short segment where we just explore some really quick things related to either family law, immigration law, wills and estates, kind of anything. Also just tips and tricks for you guys that we think would help your matter go a lot smoother. Today I want to focus on marriage opinion letters because we are in what's supposed to be wedding season. Unfortunately, with the pandemic, a lot of couples aren't able to get legally married, and they're dealing with a whole issue of either suing their vendors, trying to get their money back, refund, postponing. It's not a fun situation for anyone. And if you are going through that, just hang in there because the situation will get better. But this is the time to think about maybe what else can you do, what else is in your control that you may need and you just haven't even put your mind to it. So with regards to getting a marriage license for a lot of couples, if either one of the spouses were divorced in a foreign jurisdiction, so anywhere outside of Canada, if any of the spouses were divorced in a foreign jurisdiction, Canada's government will not give you a marriage license until you prove to them by way of what we call a marriage opinion letter that your divorce should be recognized in Canada. So what that means is that if you have a divorce from outside of Canada, Canada wants to know that you've consulted with a lawyer, and it helps if it's a family lawyer who is familiar with the Divorce Act. They want to know from that lawyer, and they ask for a marriage opinion letter, and it's a letter that's addressed to both of the spouses that want to be married. This is in among other documents that they're requesting, but this is in a package that you would then send to the government office, and usually it's in Thunder Bay, but definitely check online just to verify. And Canada wants to know that as the lawyer, we've gone through your foreign divorce and all the documents that you provided. We've had a chat with you, and we've gone through what it would take to be recognized in Canada and what it would take to be recognized under the Divorce Act. Obviously, it's not going to be the same procedure. Other jurisdictions do not follow the Divorce Act in Canada, and rightly so. But we want to make sure that at least you guys had followed the right laws in your foreign jurisdiction, so in your home country, to get your divorce, to make sure that there's no fraud, that you're not legally married somewhere else and then you're trying to get married here. So you would provide all the papers to your lawyer, and then it's the lawyer's responsibility to write a letter basically saying yes or no based on X, Y, Z. So that's basically in a nutshell, that's what a marriage opinion letter is. It's a pretty quick turnaround from the day we're hired. We see a lot of marriage opinion letter requests from we have a lot of clients that have a foreign divorce from Jamaica, from Peru, from the UK, from the USA, from India, from Pakistan, a couple from Asia, specifically like Thailand, Indonesia. Some of these countries don't even allow you to get legally divorced. So they don't actually have a divorce provision in any of their law. And that's when it's really interesting, because in our marriage opinion letter, we have to explain why you're technically not divorced in your home country, but why it should be recognized as a divorce in Canada. So going through all these parameters, I hope that you understand better what it takes to get a marriage license in Canada if you have a foreign divorce. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call today and we can go over any of that with you.